I wanted to drive the grain cart, you know. My dad's not the one with the big Instagram and Twitter account, YouTube channel like I am. I should be in the grain cart and tractor. Well, it's that time of year again. Everything blowing away. See the steam from the hot corn coming out of the silo, dumping her hot. Just adjusted the calibration. It was reading several points low. So we're dialing her down, letting it get caught up, because I want it to dump at 17, not 18. The problem is, this, what was reading 17, was actually 20. So then you got to change the calibration. It was at a -3. And so we'll just let her run for a little bit, and next round of wagons we'll check it again. But yeah, with any luck, our 50 acres of corn one day, one and done. That'd be kind of nice. We weren't off to a good start. You can see there's a tree that hit the ladder up there. We just got to pull that ladder back out and bolt it back up. And these branches were around the power box and up against the dryer. So luckily nothing hit that power post or the dryer itself. So she's cooking along. Just gotta hurry up and get it unloaded so we get back out to the field. Alright, wagons are full for another round. Let's get this grain cart into position so we can actually get going. I should do a video how I ended up with an old Lexion as a John Deere guy. I had quite a few people ask why I did that and how it's been working out. Alright guys, we're at the CBCN corn test plot. Look how good that yields. Oh man, oh man. I'll tell you what, another great thing is that Mountain Dew, Coca-Cola, Hershey's Chocolate, State Farm, Easy Trail grain cart. I don't know, it's probably about the greatest free cart I've ever had. That is just awesome. This is an awesome, awesome grain cart. But better yet, look at how this good yields. Look at how it yields. Here's how the other stuff yields. Here's how this yields. There's no comparison, guys. Just no comparison. This is fantastic. Well, the hashtag Kloss, hashtag at Twitter of America The Progressive Insurance root beer float Lexion is just too awesome. It's going great, and let's get this stuff emptied so we can keep on moving. All right, guys, we're gonna walk behind the combine and check the field loss here to see how good of a job it's doing. Kevin, what's this for? I don't understand. What do you have? I gotta be out there where the combine already ran? I'm gonna try this unloading on the go thing at least once this year. With just the two of us, a lot of times with just myself, unloading on the go seems kind of difficult to do. You see how the stand, it just thinned it out, you know, look at all the gaps. There we go. And yeah, yep. Tough to be a farmer, Guys, the Mountain Dew Burger King Taco Bell Brandt auger is just working fantastic. It's moving grain beautiful. The TSI Golden Grain, Farm Fans, Walmart, Pepsi-Cola, Sook Up, Quick Trip, Progressive Insurance, grain handling system. Spot on. Hey, Mark, remember that time that AOC called corn cow grain? And I corrected her and I told her who I am. And I was like, you nitwit, it's called cow feed. Oh man, I so roasted her. And then she sent that shirt back that says I'm with stupid with the arrow pointing up. She's so dumb. The arrow's supposed to point sideways. So I had to adjust the set point a little more. The calibration, we had to bring it up a little bit more because it was still running a little bit wet out of the dryer, and I never took the sticker off the window. And so we'll keep checking it and dialing it in. By the time we get it dialed in, we're going to be done, but whatevs. I watched the humidity too. As long as the humidity is staying up there, it's getting close. If, you know, that one, that is what it is. But if all of these start creeping down, then you know you're going too fast. Just some little stuff. Kind of fun. Every round I come out, we move the grain cart to the next spot, you know, and then he combines around the grain cart. And it's just marching across that little field. It's like 30 acres from where we started, plus this down here, plus that. And so it was afternoon when we got started, spent the morning getting the dryer going. I came out and did a load, the calibration load, and then the 60-inch stuff. Went in, had lunch, and 1 o'clock started going. And if he didn't have to always chase over to the cart, it'd be done by now, but it's working very well. The dryer's almost kind of keeping up, and yeah, we might beat this snow after all. And we're full. There's that little gap up there in the gap in the buckets coming off the auger, and so when the bin fills up, it'll pour out the top of that, and it fountained up, so you shut her down quick. but it's running right now. So I'll just let it run until the dryer is full. And then I think maybe I could at least empty the auger. So close. Combine's back in the yard. One and done, guys. One and done. It pretty nice just to go start combining and be done combining. We only had the one field of corn, but yeah, that's all right. So we'll go get the head pulled home and park these back. The wet bin is full, so we'll park these back by the auger, so then later tonight we can finish emptying the wagons, and then tomorrow empty the grain cart and the dryer.